Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout. In this video I wanted to demonstrate to you one of the most important features that exists in Sonny9. You can tell Sonny9 which questions to ask and how to do the analysis of the bank transactions or any other files by providing a client job description. In this case, as you can see, I have two clients. This is me, this is John Doe, and here we do not have any job description, nothing. And what Sonny9 does is when they receives the bank statement, it goes over each transaction and asks default questions. In another case, I have a client where I just wrote a small instruction based on a real customer, where we explain that this particular client has a few properties and there are some rules associated with that. So let's create a request and I will load the same bank statement to both of them so you can see how AI makes those decisions. Alright, so our bank statement. So let's drop a bank statement in here. Okay, so this is our bank statement. Let's have a look. Okay, so here it is. Alright, now let's go to the next step. So now what you will see is the questions that the system is working on. There are 5 questions. Probably Sonny is still analyzing. Probably there are many transactions. So then we can go answering those questions. Let's say payment for services. Okay. As you can see, there are online transfer, payment, here payment, and well, obviously you need to answer correctly, and deposit. So there are only 5 questions. All right, now let's load the same bank statement for another client which have a job description. Okay, in this case we need to specify a different email. Okay, again, same thing. Let's double check that that's the email that we have sent. And now let's drag and drop the same bank statement that we used here from Chase. Okay, let's double check it. Okay, this is our bank transaction. And let's go to the next step. And here is the same bank statement, but as you can see, the questions are completely different and there are more of them because there are more rules that we have provided and more details that we require. So in this case, as you can see, the system is generating a different type of question. Like now we need to specify if it's a Texas, let's say it's a Texas property, and Texas property cleaning services, or maybe it's a legal review. All right, and there are more questions related to different transactions compared to this bank statement where we just had only 5 of those because there were no specific instructions what to do. So with Sonny9 you can do those things. You can provide descriptions, whether it's a manufacturing client or e-commerce, and give additional input how the system should behave according to your business. Thanks a lot for your time. I'm happy to answer any questions. Just drop us an email.